What it do? If you clicked on this video, that means you hard-headed. Okay, it said don't click. But since you're here, enjoy the ride. We here at the All-Star break. Steph Curry put on the show in the last game. It was Dame time the first one. What they say? That man went 3 for 4 from 3-pointers in the first game. Kevin Durant and Steph Curry went 2 for 11 in the first game. Boy, then Curry came out that second game shooting from half court. I said, this man feel at home. It was his home away from home, or his home before home, type-ish. Let me fix my camera. There you go. But hey, man, how y'all day going, or night, or weekend, or probably when I drop this, it's gonna be Monday or Tuesday. But yeah, it's Sunday night. All-Star game over. It was actually more competitive than I thought it would be. But hey, when you set a score, it ain't no lie to gag. It's like a real pickup game. Where I'm from, we played at 36. They said 40. Now everybody have pickup games to 40. About 2s and 3s straight. Single eliminations. God damn, they changed that road up a lot. Tell I ain't been down it. Tell I ain't really been paying attention over here. It's an Amazon warehouse right there. I need my stuff within a day now. The day of. Oh yeah, I got it in there. Everything been going good. By the time this video ends, I'm gonna be editing like at least 2. Cause it is late. It's 12:18 in the morning, and I gotta be up in the morning. So I'm gonna edit these videos. I just uploaded one that I recorded last week. I think I recorded on Tuesday. I just uploaded it on Sunday. That's because, hey, for y'all that been tuning in, my GTA lives, yeah. Pull up, might pull a GTA. We in Vice City, Florida. Also known as Miami in real life. We getting ready for GTA 6. Oh, GTA 6 come out. Oh man, we pressing live. We going through it together. I swear. Pressing live on the GTA 6. I also need to drop a new trailer. Y'all keep dropping these GTA 5 trailers for these DLCs. Me personally, I haven't heard one person say, man, I can't wait till that new, I ain't gonna lie. I had somebody in my comment today saying, I hope GTA 6 got DLCs. I said, yeah, the online version, the regular game, once you beat the story, that's the story. Anything else is online. Cause they gonna run it up for 20 years. Boy. That's crazy how you put it in perspective. GTA 5 came out in 2013 on the PlayStation 3. And then it followed up with being on the PlayStation 4. And what was that, 2014, I think? Because PlayStation 4 came out in 2013, I believe. But correct me if I'm wrong, maybe it was 2014. I can't remember. Time is elusive. Let me turn my mic on. I've been tripping. I turned my mic on. Mic check. All right, we on. But 2013, 2014 when the PlayStation 4 came out. It might have been 2014. Game came out September 2013. Then a year after PlayStation 4 came out, Grand Theft Auto 3 came out on PlayStation 4. And then what was it, a couple months after PlayStation 5 came out, Grand Theft Auto 5 came to the PlayStation 5. It just like expanded the map a little bit. And it's like, You look at the PlayStation 2, it got 3 mainstream GTAs. It had GTA 3, GTA Vice City, GTA San Andreas. PlayStation 4 just had Grand Theft Auto 4. PlayStation 4, well, Grand Theft Auto 5 had PlayStation 3, 4, and 5. That thing went through it. But yeah, right now I'm about to wrap up. Hopefully, I'm not sure how far I am. Cause I ain't never beat Vice City. Actually, Grand Theft Auto 3 is the first time I beat that. Grand Theft Auto Vice City, I really never played the missions. It was really my brother beat the game. I hopped on and just used to just do my thing. Do what the purpose of GTA is for outside of missions. That's literally all I used to do. The main purpose. Once the game is finished, what else do you got to do on the game? That's what I did. But you know, I'm getting through it one thing at a time. I need to see what's next on my agenda. I just finished some missions. Then I got on 2K. And 2K video coming soon. I got a Madden video. I got one already in the tuck. I just need to press publish. And I got another one from somebody who was talking stuff. And it was like a sucker bet. So I'm gonna give you a little backstory on this one. So, in my opinion, NCAA and Madden is the same game. Maybe a different playbook, but it's the same concept. So, I'm gonna push it back a little more. This man, we play NCAA, and this man was talking about how he was a true for NCAA. Back in the day, him and his homeboys used to bet big money on NCAA. Then we played, it's always a blowout. And his excuse is, I've been playing the game longer than him. And I was like, I played the game for 3 weeks. I stopped playing because 2K came out, played 2K, and then he challenged me to NCAA. I'm like, I don't know what advantage you think I got. And on top of that, in them 3 weeks I played, I was playing the Road to Glory, I think that's what it's called, when you just play with one player, and I just played with the quarterback. So I couldn't catch the ball, I couldn't run after the catch, I couldn't play I didn't play no defense. Then I played when you just play people, and I guess it's like Road to College Football playoffs. I did that after I beat that. And I played about however long it take to get through a season. I did that many games, and about 5 more after that. And then I stopped playing because 2K came out. But his excuse is, you had the game wrong longer than me. That's why you winning. And then I blow him out every single time. And that's his excuse for months. Like for 2 months. So I got done playing because my cousin said, you ain't going to get no better. They's the only one going to get better. And then you're going to end up slipping up losing to them. I said, true. So I said, I graduated from college. I'm going pro. I'm not playing NCAA. So I finally got this man to buy Madden when it costs $20. And this man's like, hey, you going to pay half? I was like, dang, it's $20. But all right. Let's make a bet. Remind you, he's not losing anything in these bets. He's only gaining. Because if it was him losing, it won't be no bet. So I said, all right, if you beat me 1 out of 3 times, I'll give you half your money back. And he was like, all right, bet. Then he was like, hey, and if I win, you gotta play me in NCAA. I said, nah, you ain't getting 2 things off of 1 win. I said, this is what we can do. If you win 2 out of 5, I play NCAA. Oh no, that ain't fair. I gotta win that many games. I'm like, you gotta win 2 out of 5. That's a losing record. I gotta win. Think about it. I gotta win all 3 games out of 1 out of 3, not to give you half your money back. Then I gotta win 4 games not to play in NCAA. It seemed like you not losing nothing because I ain't asked for nothing in return. So fast forward, I whooped him. He scored a pick 6 at the beginning of the game, and then he got a passing touchdown at the end of the game. And he lost, I think it was like 40-something to 14. Matter of fact, I think he had 13 because he went for 2 and didn't get it. But yeah, blowout. So we ran it back. So first game he had the Bills, and I had the Washington. Then second game first he tried to get the Ravens. So all right, I said, all right, I'm gonna go get the Eagles. So then he changed it when he got the Chiefs. So I changed it when he got the Ravens. So it's Chiefs versus Ravens. I ain't gonna lie, his first play didn't do nothing. His second play, I lagged, and my person had the running back tackle for a loss. But it made me just keep going straight and run past him. So then he got past the second person. I tried to switch on. He broke that tackle. And then he ended up running all the way for a touchdown. So he ran about 70 yards, no lie, on the second play. All because of a lag. And he didn't score no more after that. It was a beatdown. I think I threw 1 interception, that's it. And he thought he was going to get a pick 6. And I only threw the interception because I lagged again. I was lagging the whole game. And they kept saying his internet. And he was like, it ain't nothing wrong with my internet. You just making excuses. I'm like, no, it's literally a message popping up constantly saying your opponent is experiencing internet issues. And yeah, it was ugly. And I think that was like 40-something to 6. And the man threw like 9 interceptions with Patrick Mahomes. It was really looking like the Super Bowl out there. So I'm gonna just see if he's gonna want to play one more game. Because his excuse was I had the game since it first came out. And I said I didn't. I just got it in November, December. No, you did. You got it when it first came out. No, I didn't. I was playing 2K. I didn't care for Madden. I didn't care for football games. I'm just better than you. And I'm better just than the average person now. I just get the concept. But, yeah. I put that BTA to him. And he hot. And I'm about to edit that video for the first game. I don't know if I got the second game. But if I do, I'm going to edit that tomorrow. Maybe. Because I'm streaming. But yeah, I'm streaming. This is probably going to come out afterwards. But if it so happen to come out before, I'm streaming. So tune in or watch it over because the video will still be there. And yeah, I'll catch y'all next time. Godspeed.